Life over 70 with Wanda. This is Bashful. And I want to show you, we were out back. I want to show you out front. And they're looking up. And top of my neighbor's house. Yeah, they're coming after Bashful. You believe that? Look at them. 4 of them. Oh, gee. Sorry, I never remember to turn my camera the right direction. This is crazy, though. Look at them. They're just waiting. I know they're here to get Bashful. I mean, I have a few squirrels, but no. I don't know how to make them go away. Crazy. Well, I'll just keep Bashful in the house until they leave. Okay, have a good day.